Hello everyone, I am Keisha.
And I'm George.
And welcome to
Craft Life with the Sansberries.
Yay! Woo, 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 woo! Ah!
She thought I stopped it, but I was still recording.
So, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to weed. If you watched the video that my husband did on the difference between Thermoflex and Siser, he did talk briefly about weeding, and he did tell you that we were going to do a weeding video. This is that video. Okay? So, right here, this one right here is my Thermoflex. This is my Siser. Unlike my husband, I can't look at them and tell which one is which, but by holding them, you can tell. This one is Thermoflex because it is thicker. It is a thicker quality. This one is Siser. It is thinner. When it comes to weeding, the only difference between the two is that this Siser here, you do have to be very careful with weeding Siser because it is so thin and it can rip easier than this Thermoflex can rip. So we are going to go over here to the mat and we are going to weed. I think I'm going to weed the Thermoflex first and then I'll do the Siser. So I'm just going to lay these here. I'm going to turn this light a little bit so it's not in your eye. Okay, so to begin weeding, we just take our fingernail and we go to the corner and we just snip, 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 snip. Psych. What we really do is we have this tool. It's called a weeder. And there is more than one type of weeder. I think we only have two in here. This one right here is a cricket weeder. I have tape on it because it's newer and it's sharper. I do have another cricket weeder in here. It's duller and it's bent. So this one just means it's my new one. Okay. So this is the cricket weeder. And this one is just from our local vinyl supply store. Which one do I like to use the most? This one. No reason. This one is just so tiny and you get carpal tunnel using this. Nobody want carpal tunnel. So I use this one to weed. And I'm going to show you how I start weeding. Okay. So to start, I just come to the corner of the vinyl. I stick the weeder in and I start to pull the vinyl off. As I'm pulling, what was cut by the cricket is left behind, and what the cricket did not cut is being pulled off of the mat. So I just keep going. And you do have to be careful because it is easy sometimes for some things to lift. Like you see these letters down here. You may not be able to see them yet. But I have some letters down here, some numbers and letters. Psalms 23. Little things like that do tend to come off sometimes when you're pulling. So sometimes you do have to be careful and make sure they stay on. Okay, so I've just done the big pull. Notice once I've done the initial pull, everything on the outside is pulled off. Okay, if you look in the front, if we were to put that on the shirt, it would just be this. You wouldn't see the design in the shirt. So now what I have to go do is pull all the vinyl from within the design that is not supposed to be there. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do now. See, I'm just pulling, and you do have to be careful. Most of the time when I do this, I have a picture up just so I can make sure I'm not pulling the wrong parts. George is behind the camera and he is being sorry. He is back there being bad. Okay, so I'm pulling the design, and this is really an easy design to weed. Some designs are harder to weed.
What design is that?
What design is this one here?
Yes.
This is the Bad Boy's design.
Bad boy?
Bad Boy.
Bad, B-A-D?
Bad!
Oh.
Like a sheep.
Like a sheep.
Yes.
Okay.
You know why? You see
Why?
at the bottom it says Psalms 23.
Psalms 23.
Which says, "The Lord is my shepherd.
Oh.
I shall not want."
That makes me a sheep, huh?
That makes us sheep.
Oh, so I'm
So
a
we're bad boys.
Not, I got it. That's
Not
nice.
bad boys for life.
No,
Yeah.
no, baby.
Oh, sorry.
No,
Sorry,
bring it back.
sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. So, yes, we are
Bad.
sheeps.
We're sheep.
We are God's sheep.
Yes, we are.
He is our shepherd.
You're doing an awesome job weeding.
Thank you.
So how do you know the difference in what stays and what goes?
If you can zoom in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. So, I don't know if you can see, like, there's an outline right here.
Yes.
Okay. So that tells me that this right here needs to go. Like, this is
Okay.
not needed in the design. So I'm
Gotcha.
going to pull that. Because we don't need that.
Don't need it.
Mm-mm. You know, and like I said before, lots of times when I do this, especially if it's something that we're doing for the first time, I do like to look at a picture, because
Yes.
I have been known to pull vinyl that did not need to be pulled. Oh, I forgot. Ooh. The letters at the bottom. These are some letters that you do have to be careful with. This A could be a little tricky. There are times when you try to pull a part out and the whole letter comes up. We don't want them problems. Mm-mm. Okay, so this is Thermoflex. Okay, that is the design. Okay, so that one didn't take too long. That was an easy.
Where could I get one of
weed.
those if I wanted to get? Because I really like that.
If you wanted this design,
Yes. On a
you
shirt.
I could tell you, go to axapparel.com
Okay.
and you can get this custom design.
Oh, so like any color shirt?
Any color,
hoodie?
black, white, gray, blue, green, yellow.
What about a hoodie? Or a
You
t-shirt?
can get a hoodie, a
Or a
t-shirt,
V-neck?
a V-neck,
Gotcha.
a tank top.
Gotcha.
We don't do holsters. Tank top, anything you want.
Gotcha.
This
Okay.
design.
So that's Thermoflex. We're going
This
to do another
is
one?
Thermoflex. Sure.
Or we're gonna-
We will do the Siser. I'm going to pull it for you guys just to show you. I mean, it's the same thing, but it's just, you know, remember this is thinner. And then after this, we probably will speed it up a little bit just because the weeding process is the same. So once again, I'm going to go to the corner. I mean, you can start wherever you want. I just like to start in the corner because it makes it easier. And I can already tell the difference. It's just so thin. And that is a lot thinner than that Thermoflex.
Is it easier to pull because it's thinner?
No, it's harder to pull because it's easier for it to tear. So you have to be a lot careful.
Okay, so you have to be more careful.
Gots to be more careful.
Gots to be
Gots to be
more careful.
more careful. Okay? So, just going to pull this. And I am trying to keep this down just to make sure nothing tears.
The nails are pretty.
Thank you!
Okay.
Thank you. I have a nail lady who does my nails.
Oh,
Or
yeah?
does have a nail lady, yeah.
You have a nail lady?
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yep. It's by appointments only.
All right. You want to give her a shout out?
Shout out to Chrissy Austin at Splash Nails.
All right. Check out.
She keeps my nails on fleek. Yeah, it's about time for me to get them redone.
It's all good.
It's okay. Alright, so we have this design weeded, okay? The initial weed, so we're going to go ahead and speed this up. Alright, so now we do have 2 weeded bad boys. Okay. Again, this one is our nope. This one is our Siser. This one is our Thermoflex. You can even hear the not flimsy. I'm just saying flimsy because it's when you compare them.
Oh yeah, that one sound like thunder. That one sound like lightning.
Lightning, thunder. This is a mouse. This is a lion. Okay? So, again, weeding. Okay? This is our weeding video. Remember, just come to the corner and pull it. Bam, you're done. Okay? Thank you for watching Craft Life with the Sansberries. If you have not already, please go and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Okay? Go ahead. What you waiting for? Alright, go subscribe. Until next time. Peace.